Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tejaswini SR. Today I am here to share with you why we are more concerned about IUD in diabetic patients. See, as such pregnancy is a hyperglycemic state because of insulin resistant hormones like estrogen, progesterone and human placental lactogen. And even our fetus which needs glucose, so the body itself changes so that more glucose will goes to the fetus, right? So in case of diabetic mother, there will be more number of glucose and more glucose process the placenta, and this glucose has higher affinity to bind with hemoglobin rather than the oxygen. So the hemoglobin, instead of becoming oxygenated hemoglobin, it will become glycated hemoglobin, right? So when there is glycated hemoglobin, there occurs a condition called hypoxia because our hemoglobin is not containing oxygen now. So this hypoxia stimulate more number of RBC production, more of hemoglobin production, which is a state called polycythemia. So the polycythemia causes increased blood viscosity. There is already hypoxia because of glycated hemoglobin, and now there is polycythemia. When there is polycythemia, what happens to the blood viscosity? Blood viscosity will increase. When the blood viscosity increases, the heart, which is already in a hypoxic state, now has to pump against the high resistant flow. So then develops high cardiac output failure. So when there is cardiac output failure, now the condition called anaerobic glycolysis occurs. So what is the product of anaerobic glycolysis? It is lactic acid. So when there is lactic acid accumulation, this is the one which causes IUD in case of diabetic mother. So this is a brief explanation why IUD happens in diabetic mother. So we should always recommend fetal kick count and fetal heart rate monitoring strictly for every diabetic antenatal mother. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.